concerns and rising costs that come with usage of wood for design and architecture, designers are more keen to replace these with metal components. With the advent of state-of-the-art powder application technologies, these components, especially aluminium profiles, can be produced with an authentic look and feel of natural wood. The sublimation process works. The profiles first pass through an application booth where the base coat powder is applied on them. After the base coat is applied, the profiles are then cured in the curing oven. Once the profiles pass through the oven, they are then left on the conveyor line to cool down, following which they are ready for the sublimation process. The sublimation process uses films that have patterns printed with special ink. Using heat, the ink is transferred from the film to the profiles, applying creative wood finish designs. The film is wrapped around the profile. The wrapping allows open ends on either sides, which are then sealed. The air is then removed to keep the film firmly pressed onto the surface of the profiles. The wrapped profiles now proceed to the oven. The temperature heats the film and aluminium profiles, transferring color and pattern into the base coat. Once the profiles move out from the oven, air is blown back into the wrapping, allowing for the film to be separated from the profiles so it can be easily removed. Now the profiles are ready for packing and shipping.